Welcome to the University of New Mexico Division of Dental Hygiene Virtual Awards Ceremony for the class of 2020. To the class of 2020, thank you so much for your perseverance during this very trying time. Thank you so much for your patience with all of us as we tried to deliver the best education we could to you. And thank you for your passion for dental hygiene. Throughout your education, you continue to inspire me and motivate me regarding the discipline of dental hygiene. And thank you for your competence throughout your career in dental hygiene school. I continue to hear positive remarks and motivational remarks from people who you educated, people that saw you at a health fair, your patients, not just regarding your clinical competence, but also your empathy and your politeness and your conscientiousness. And I am very grateful to all of you for that. And thank you to our staff who worked tirelessly at delivering and supporting you during this difficult time. Thank you so much for your faculty. You all know our faculty have expert positions in dental hygiene nationwide and internationally. And to watch them teaching you has been a blessing to me. And I know the relationships you have with them and you will continue having now as alumni, and look forward to having you as part of our team. And last but not least, thank you to all you family and friends who supported all of your dental hygiene students throughout their career. And thank you for allowing them to continue practicing on you throughout their career as well. We have a wonderful ceremony in store for all of you, and we're going to start it out with your keynote speaker, your junior clinic coordinator, Professor Christina Calleros.
Throughout your education, you have sought out success. Meanwhile, those around you have tried to predict your success. This has happened throughout your education. Maybe it happened when you applied to high school or sports or college, or even when you applied to hygiene school. As a matter of fact, your junior year, I would run your folio tech data to try to predict who would complete all their requirements on time and who would need a little bit of guidance from me. And when I was preparing for this talk, I was looking for qualities that would help predict your success in the professional world. Those qualities were curiosity, leadership, commitment, and courage. And as I looked at these qualities, I realized that each and every one of you already have these qualities and have already demonstrated them to me firsthand. Curiosity. That was one of the qualities, and I laughed because I thought, all you have to do is keep doing what you're doing. Question everything, always ask why, when, how, what. Don't ever stop searching for information. A college president once informed a graduate, curious and keep learning. Always realize that everyone has something to teach us, and although we may have many constant in our lives, we also have many changes. The best way to improve life is to keep questioning your community of patients, or as large as a community service for the citizens of Albuquerque. I've seen this firsthand with your involvement in the Student Dental Hygiene Association and through your many community outreach endeavors. Remember, by being a healthcare provider, you're striving to help all the community. Continue doing what you're doing. Commitment. Commitment means doing what you plan to do. Each and every one of you has demonstrated your extreme commitment to your education, your patients, your families, and yourselves in this program. From the first day of sophomore class to this moment demonstrates your commitment and desire to succeed. You are committed to your education, committed to completing even in a worldwide pandemic, jumping through the hoops of complications that the current state of the world has dealt you. If you continue this commitment in your professional endeavors, you'll always succeed. Keep doing what you're doing. Courage. Courage is finding strength to try in the face of adversity. You were courageous enough to try when you first began in clinic. You were all practicing skills you had never tried before. Watching you in the infancy of your hygiene education, sometimes you'd succeed and sometimes you failed. But not one of you gave up. Like most of those who have tried, we fail many times, but when we believe in ourselves, we have the courage to know that the only thing these failures have to really accomplish is to teach us more. Keep doing what you're doing. One example of your courage was your participation in the clinical board this year. For those of you who are not familiar, in order for graduates to receive a license to practice dental hygiene, they must first complete a clinical board. This clinical board tests their clinical skills in order to practice dental hygiene. It's a high-stakes exam. This year, due to COVID-19 restrictions, these graduates were not allowed to use their ultrasonic scalers due to the potential for aerosol production. This is like asking a contractor to dig you a swimming pool without a backhoe or a tractor, but only a shovel in the same amount of time. Or perhaps a better comparison would be, rather than using a jackhammer to break up concrete, one could only use a hammer and chisel. I was proud, but I was not surprised to hear that not only did you do well, but the testing agency was so impressed with your performance that they praised our program. Remember, you have just completed this tremendous accomplishment. This accomplishment will lead to many opportunities. Remember, you have the skills necessary. You already have those skills that you need to succeed. Graduates, continue to strive for perfection and be happy to learn as much as possible in the future. I'm extremely proud of you, and from the bottom of my heart, I thank you for allowing me to be part of your journey. I wish you the best.
Hey y'all, my name is Whitney Compton, and I've had the honor of being the Vice President of the UNM Dental Hygiene Class of 2020. 2.5 years ago, 25 wide-eyed sophomores walked into Novinsky Dental Hall not knowing the journey that was about to take place. Now, before me, are 25 strong, amazingly beautiful dental hygienists who are eager to slay gingivitis, fight periodontal disease, and be the best clinicians they can be. Our class has dedicated endless hours to studying, working on clinical skills, trying to master tricky quizzes, and shedding countless tears on canceled patients. We wouldn't have been able to make it through hygiene school without the support of our family, friends, and the new best friends we've made along the way. Thank you to the professors for always believing in us even when we didn't believe in ourselves. Your constant encouragement and daily pep talks meant more to us than you'll ever know. As if dental hygiene school isn't stressful enough, our class was challenged with an unthinkable pandemic that no other hygiene class has ever had to face. Through COVID, we developed new endurance, strength, and the ability to overcome any barriers set before us. I am proud to say that I'm a part of the class that hand-scaled their way through boards. The ability to adapt to difficult situations confirms that we as a class are resilient. Going through a pandemic and trying to graduate seemed impossible, but we proved to make the impossible possible. To the class of 2020, we did it, and our next adventure begins. Never forget the feeling you had when you opened the acceptance letter into hygiene school, and take that feeling with you every step of the way through your dental hygiene career. Take this moment to reflect on how far you've come and be proud of yourself. Our class was a perfect mixture of intelligence, beauty, and wit. And I hope I speak for all of us when I say I could have not imagined going through this program with any other group of ladies. Now dismissing your favorite dental hygiene class, the class of 2020.
Please enjoy this presentation our class put together for our family and friends of our journey through dental hygiene school.
class of 2020. Professor Boita is here. I'm so happy to be finally making this video for you. That means you have made it and you are done. This is very, very exciting. Remember this, who would have thought that when you dressed up and we dressed up, that in fact, as prisoners, you would be held hostage an extra 4 months in the dental hygiene program. But fast forward, and you've made it, and we are here in class of 2020. We are so proud of you and what you've accomplished so far, and we would like to individually recognize these accomplishments, and it is my honor to be able to individually announce your names. So I present to you the class of 2020. Regina Andreas. Isis Au. Catherine Chavez. Amanda Collins. Whitney Compton. Lois Delara. Christina Duong. Cecilia Frey. Laura Galassini. Morgan Huff. Crystal Klogi. Monique Lopez. Raquel Munoz. Angelica Rael. Barbara Rios. April Rios. Shaheen Rizvi. Angelica Sanchez. Kaylee Sargent. Janelle Smith. Dera Solano Quintero. Darby Tharp. Brittany Tripp. Nora Vences Ortiz. Vanessa Venegas. Congratulations, class of 2020. We are so proud of you. You will always be in our memory as the class of 2020, the class that didn't give up, and the class that kept going. We will always remember you and what you've done to get to this point and have such an major accomplishment.
So what I'd like to talk about next is a really special award for the UNM Dental Hygiene Program. Actually, the award is named after one of the founders of the Dental Hygiene Program at UNM. Her name is Irene Navarre. She actually moved to New Mexico upon request from Dr. Monica Novitsky, who was starting the program, and the Dental Association. She really was a pioneer in dental hygiene. Definitely she was for New Mexico. I mean, she started our first and longest standing dental hygiene program. She also was on a nationwide scale as well. She started many of the dental hygiene component and state association, regional associations as well in California before moving here. And she then went on to become the president of the American Dental Hygienist Association. She, at this point, is still the only president that we have from New Mexico that has represented us on a national level. She had a passion for dental hygiene, and she was a leader in dental hygiene. She back when she was starting the program and the associations, she had to meet with dental associations all over the country to explain to them why they should hire a dental hygienist and really about uh, the importance of dental hygiene treatment. Um, it was near and dear to her heart when she really helped start the New Mexico Dental Hygiene Association. And not that many years ago was when Irene and the New Mexico Dental Hygiene Association founded the Irene Navarre Student Award. It also has a monetary award with it. And this year's winner really exemplifies somebody who has a passion for dental hygiene. And it was very easy for all of us to come together and know right away uh, who we thought exemplified the skills and the traits that Irene wanted to see in dental hygienist. She's been a leader in the class, and of course, this has been a very trying time, and it still is actually. And so I'd like to announce the winner, Whitney Compton.
Thank you. I wasn't expecting that at all. That means a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you, and thank you for all you do. And we look forward to seeing how you're going to advance the profession, and excited to have you in the graduate program and know that you will do incredible things for the profession, which ultimately serves society.
I'm excited to be here. I love it. I'm very passionate about dental hygiene, helping people. I love it. So thank you so much.
The next award I will be presenting is the Hugh Freedy Golden Scaler Award. This was really hard this year, as we know how hard you have worked, class of 2020, and I wish that I could hand out 25 golden scalers this year. You will always be known as the class that hand-scaled your way through boards, and we will not forget that. But there can only be one golden scaler, and faculty got together and we discussed, and one person consistently stood out as demonstrating excellence in instrumentation and excellence in clinical care. This year's class of 2020's Golden Scaler is being awarded to Angelica Sanchez. Angelica, here is your Golden Scaler. Great job. Congratulations. I'm presenting the award from the Western Society of Periodontology. This award is given to a student who has shown a special interest in the field of periodontology and in clinic has demonstrated a proficiency in periodontics. She has taken what she's learned from perio and really integrated it in to her clinical care time and time again. It is my pleasure to present this award to April Rios. April, congratulations, very much deserved. We're very proud of you.
This next award is titled the Colgate Star Award. Most of you are familiar with Colgate products, and Colgate, quite a few years ago, started this award. And it goes to one student in every single dental hygiene program in the United States. And they wanted to recognize the student that has a passion for dental hygiene and that really wants to serve others, whether it's service on the community level, on the patient level, or with fellow dental hygienists. This year's award goes to a student that exemplifies all of these traits. She strives to serve her community. She works diligently to do the best service she can and be an empathetic ear to her patients as well. She has a wonderful chairside manner. She also works very well with fellow students, with our dental hygiene staff and faculty. When you walk into a room, her smile lets you know that she loves where she is and that she loves dental hygiene. And I have no doubt that she will continue advancing dental hygiene throughout her career. This year's Colgate Star Award goes to Regina Andreas.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate that award. It means a lot to me. Thank you.
Thanks, Regina. We look forward to seeing you shine.
Hello, everybody. Congratulations, class of 2020. I'm very proud of you all. I am here to present a very special award, so I'm very honored to be presenting this award. It is for the induction to Sigma Phi Alpha, which is a National Honor Society of Dental Hygiene. The purpose of this society is to promote and honor those who have shown leadership, services throughout dental hygiene, clinical, didactically, amongst patients, amongst themselves, just how they overall present themselves. I myself am a member of this society, as well as Professor Boithes. So she is the president of the UNM chapter Chi Psi. It's a chapter throughout or from Sigma Phi Alpha. So again, this award is presented to a student who shows high scholastic achievement. So they have a highest GPA, overall well-rounded. They have really good personalities. Again, just like the purpose of the Sigma Phi Alpha National Honor Society is to show leadership through education, etc. So I am very pleased to announce the nominee for this award, and that goes to Monique Lopez. And congratulations on being nominated for this award and inducted into Sigma Phi Alpha National Honor Society for Dental Hygiene. That's great. So good job.
Thank you. It's an honor. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
In my practice as a dental hygienist,
I affirm my personal and professional commitment to improve the oral health of the public, to advance the art and science of dental hygiene, and to promote the highest standards of quality care.
I pledge continually to improve my professional knowledge and skills,
to render a full measure of service to each patient entrusted to my care,
and to uphold the highest standards of professional competence
and personal conduct in the interest of the dental hygiene profession
and the public it serves.
Good day. As Chair of the Department of Dental Medicine, congratulations to all the graduates, and what a final year it's been. You have already been doubly challenged to reach this exciting day in your life within the new environment we find ourselves. You have done well, and today represents all the hard work you have completed. Welcome to all, especially your family and friends, of whom many have been your patients. Welcome to the day's celebration. I'd like to share a quote with you, if I can. Successful and unsuccessful people do not vary greatly in their abilities. They vary in their desires to reach their potential. Congratulations on reaching this potential in your life. All the faculty appreciate your significant milestone in your life, and we are all glad to have you represent the program as your professional career begins. Your hard work has and will continue to pay off. Finally, stay healthy and always take care of each other. Go Lobos. There you go. Congratulations.
Thank you for attending the University of New Mexico Division of Dental Hygiene virtual awards ceremony for the class of 2020. We also have additional video messages for all of you from your faculty in the link that will be emailed to you. They wanted, of course, like all of us, to get to celebrate with you in person, but have done so virtually, so they still don't get to miss the celebration. We look forward to having you as alumni and to seeing you at dental hygiene events and hopefully at the University of New Mexico in times to come. And thank you for choosing the UNM Dental Hygiene Program. You are what makes us so well known, and we appreciate all of you. Keep your positive attitude, because that will get you far in life, and keep your gratitude, which I know lives in each and every one of you because I've seen it, and that helps you get through difficult days too. And again, we look forward to having you as colleagues, and go Lobos.